Human suffering is increasing day by day due to natural calamities. Everyone should know the reason for this calamity. Here I am focusing on this subject for awareness. Global warming has increased in vast in last decade. Pollution caused by the release of carbon dioxide into the air creates a blanket over the Earth's atmosphere. Global warming can cause a whole chain of events to rupture ecosystems, weather patterns, and a variety of other factors. We all play a part in our future. Climate is the usual weather of a place. It can be different in different seasons. Earth's climate is a combination of all the climates across the world. Climate change is an event in Earth's climate. Weather can change in just a few hours. However, climate change takes hundreds or even millions of years. Earth's climate is always changing, which may last thousands or millions of years. It is getting warmer day by day. The temperature has gone up about 1 degree Fahrenheit in the last 100 years. These small changes in Earth's temperature can have a big impact on future. The climate on Earth has been changed since it formed 4.5 billion years ago. Until recently, natural factors have been the cause of these changes. Natural influences on the climate include volcanic eruptions, changes in the orbit of the Earth, and shifts in the Earth's crust known as plate tectonics. Over the past 1 million years, the Earth has experienced a series of ice ages, including polar periods known as glacials and warmer periods known as interglacials. Glacial and interglacial periods cycles roughly every 100,000 years, caused by changes in Earth's orbit around the Sun. For the past few thousand years, Earth has been in an interglacial period with a constant temperature. Global warming refers to the increase of the Earth's average surface temperature due to a buildup of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. It is a gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effect, which caused by increased level of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon known as CFC, and other pollutants. CFC is one of various halocarbon compounds consisting of carbon, chlorine, and fluorine. It is widely used as aerosol propellants and refrigerants. Although people tend to use climate change and global warming terms interchangeably, however, global warming is just one aspect of climate change. Greenhouse gas is a gas that absorbs and emits radiant energy within the thermal infrared range, causing the greenhouse effect. The primary greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. Without greenhouse gases, the average temperature of Earth's surface would be about minus 18 degrees centigrade or 64 degrees Fahrenheit rather than the present average of 15 degrees centigrade or 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Greenhouse gases also include artificial chemicals like chlorofluorocarbon. The absorbed energy warms the atmosphere and the surface of the Earth. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. Light from the sun passes through the atmosphere and the heat is absorbed by the Earth's surface. That energy is then emitted back to the atmosphere. The greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere absorb the longer wavelengths of outgoing infrared radiation from the Earth's surface. These gases then emit the infrared radiation in all directions, both outward toward the space and downward toward Earth. This process creates a second source of radiation to warm the surface: visible radiation from the sun and infrared radiation from the atmosphere, which causes Earth to be warmer than it otherwise would be. This process is known as natural greenhouse effect and keeps Earth's average global temperature at approximately 15 degree centigrade or 59 degree Fahrenheit. In the absence of a greenhouse effect, the average temperature at the Earth's surface would be cool. Thus, the greenhouse effect is very important to the survival of life on Earth. But the growing concentration of greenhouse gases from human activities is making this blanket thicker and warming the planet, which has impacts on ecosystem and our way of life. Earth orbiting satellites and other technological advances have enabled scientists to see the big picture by collecting many different types of information about our planet and its climate on global scale. NASA satellites record a vital science including atmospheric aerosols, atmospheric gases including greenhouse gases, energy radiated from Earth's surface and sun, ocean surface temperature changes, global sea level, the extent of ice sheets, glacier and sea ice, plant growth, rainfall, cloud structure and more. Many agencies and nations support these records for climate change. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) was created to provide policymakers with regular scientific assessment on climate change, its implications and potential future risks, as well as to put forward adaptations and mitigation options. Through its assessment, the IPCC determines the state of knowledge on climate change. The IPCC predicts that increase in global mean temperature of less than 1.8 to 5.4 degree Fahrenheit, 1 to 3 degrees Celsius above 1990 levels will produce beneficial impacts on some regions and harmful ones in others. Net annual costs will increase over time as global temperature increases. IPCC states the range of published evidence indicates that the net damage costs of climate change are likely to be significant and to increase over time. In Earth's history, before the Industrial Revolution, Earth's climate changed due to natural causes not to related human activity. Most often, global climate has changed because of variation in light. Tiny orbits in Earth's orbit altered when and where sunlight falls on Earth's surface. Variations in the sun itself have alternately increased and decreased the amount of solar energy reaching Earth. Volcanic eruptions have generated particles that reflect sunlight, brightening the planet and cooling the climate. Volcanic activity has also, in the deep past, increased greenhouse gases over millions of years, contributing to episodes of global warming. These natural causes are still in play today, but their influence is too small or they occur too slowly to explain the rapid warming seen in recent decades. We know this because scientists closely monitor the natural and human activities that influence climate with a fleet of satellites and surface instruments. The report prepared by 234 scientists from 66 countries highlights that human influence has warmed the climate at a rate that is unprecedented in at least the last 2000 years. Human activities are releasing excessive amounts of greenhouse gases into our atmosphere. As a result, the globe is already 1 degree warmer on average than it was before the Industrial Revolution. The main cause of climate change at present are human activities, which is increased the fossil fuels such as coal, oil, gas, and generate electricity, runs cars and other forms of transport and power manufacturing industry. Deforestation, because living trees absorb, store carbon dioxide. Increasingly intensive agriculture, which emits greenhouse gas like methane, nitrous oxide, and power plants. Transportation, farming, fertilizer, oil drilling, natural gas drilling, permafrost, garbage, all are human mediated energy. In recent decade, the core ice is melting faster from Greenland, Antarctica and tropical mountain glacier for increment of greenhouse gases. Ancient evidence can also be found in tree rings, ocean sediments, coral reefs and layers of sedimentary rocks. The ancient or paleoclimatic evidence reveals that current warming is occurring roughly 10 times faster than the average rate of ice age recovery warming. Carbon dioxide from human activity is increasing more than 250 times faster than it did from natural sources after the last ice age. Global temperature rise. The planet average surface temperature has risen about 2.12 degrees Fahrenheit, 1.18 degrees Celsius since the late 19th century. Most of the warming occurred in the past 40 years. The years 2016 and 2020 are tied for the warmest year on the record. Warming ocean. The ocean has absorbed much of this increased heat with the top 100 meters, about 328 feet of ocean showing warming of more than 0.6 degrees Fahrenheit since 1969. Earth stores 90% of extra energy in the ocean. Shrinking ice sheets. The Greenland and Antarctic ice sheets have decreased in mass. Data show Greenland lost an average of 279 billion tons of ice per year between 1993 and 2019, while Antarctica lost about 148 billion tons of ice per year. In a stark sign of climate change, rain fell at the summit of Greenland's ice sheet for the first time in recorded history. The average temperatures are normally well below freezing degree on the summit, which is at a height of 10,551 feet above sea level. The precipitation, which occurred during extremely warm 3 days, saw temperature rising 18 degrees higher than average. Researchers recorded rainfall on 14th August. It has been estimated that about 7 billion tons of water fell across the sheet. The rainfall caused significant melting in most of the Greenland, an area approximately 4 times in the size of UK. Glacial retreat. Glaciers are retreating almost everywhere and around the world, including in the Alps, Himalayas, Andes, Rockies, Alaska and Africa. Decreased snow cover. Satellite observations reveal that the amount of spring snow cover in the northern hemisphere has decreased over the past 5 decades and the snow is melting earlier. Sea level rise. Global sea level rose about 8 inches 20 centimeters in the last century. The rate in the last 2 decades, however, is nearly double that of the last century and accelerating slightly every year. IPCC Air 6 Sea level projection tools. NASA developed sea level projection tool which allows user to visualize and download the sea level rise projection data from the IPCC 6th Assessment Report AR6. The goal of this tool is to provide easy and improved access and visualization to the consensus projection found in the report. The tool allows users to view both global and regional sea level rise projections from 2020 to 2150 along with how these projections differ depending on future scenario. From this tool, one can estimate how fast a coastal area will sink to the bottom of the ocean. South Asia remains extremely vulnerable. With South Asia, the Sundarbans area of Bay of Bengal, Mumbai, Chennai, etc. of India, New York City, Miami, Netherlands, China, Maldives, Shanghai, Bangkok, Bangladesh, etc. especially threatened. Declining Arctic sea ice. Both the extent and thickness of Arctic sea ice has declined rapidly over the last several decades. Ocean acidification. Since carbon dioxide is soluble in water, the oceans are becoming acidic and losing oxygen content. The ocean has absorbed between 20% and 30% of the total anthropogenic carbon dioxide emission in recent decades. Measures to reduce global warming. Here are some practical ways to stop or prevent global warming so that we do not have to seek colonization on another planet. 1. Reduce waste, upcycle furniture, recycle clothes, use energy efficient devices, turn off electronic devices and light, go solar, wind, geothermal, biofuel, not fossil fuel, use less hot water, use clean and renewable fuel, replace filters on air conditioner, save energy, go green, conserve water, download earth saving apps, drive less, use carpool, use towels, not paper towels, buy carbon offset during flying, become part of global warming community, spread the awareness. In conclusion, we can say that there are two types of climate change that are important to understand and keep in mind. The first is that it is part of an even bigger problem of environmental degradation and destruction. The second is that since the natural environment is shared resource for all inhabitants of the planet Earth, it constitutes a global problem which requires global solution. The planet and atmosphere we call home could one day turn against us due to spontaneous increase of global temperature. To stop the adverse effects of global warming happening across the planet, we need to implement ways to stop global warming and protect the planet. Preventing global warming is more important than ever. We are the last generation that can change the cause of climate change and will be the first to face its consequences if we don't act now. Hence, the entire episode underlines the importance of limiting greenhouse gas emission to protect the pristine environment of the snowy paradise.